Hello, Wildcats. Hello, Wolverines. This is Miss Starnes, and I hope you all had a wonderful weekend, a long Labor Day weekend, and now you're ready to get back in the swing of things during your third week of fourth grade. So, what I found for you is a digital reading log. It's all through Google Slides, and it's actually going to be saved in your Google Drive. And so, this is what it looks like. And this is going to be for starting this week, the week of September 8th through the 11th. So it's really simple. All you have to do is double click and type in the day you read, the number of minutes you read, the title of the book, the author, and then once you finish a book on any given day, you just double click the stars and you're going to go up here and you're going to choose, and yours may look a little bit differently than mine, but you're going to choose the fill color and then you can give the rating of out of 5 stars how much you really enjoyed reading that book. So that's going to be this week. This will be week 2. And there's always going to be a little Bitmoji icon of me with some kind of book. And then, you are Wildcats and Wolverines, so I had to bring in some kitty cats on some of the pages. So there's that week. Here's week 3. Gotta have a shout out to Disney with Belle right there in the library. And then here is week 4. So that is from The Sword and the Stone. That's Merlin. And then here, this one I believe is Stuart Little for week 5. And then for 6, I could not figure out where those cute owls are from, but it is just precious. And then, of course, for your week 7, congratulations to you guys when we get this far, because just like this crab, actually I think it's a lobster, he made it to the top of the mountain just like we are climbing the top of our mountain. We're trying to get there to reach our goal. Okay, guys? So everything is here for you. It's going to be a file in your Google Drive, and you're going to put, your name is going to be up here. We're going to change it to your reading log. So please just make sure you do your best, enjoy it, have lots of adventures, and I can't wait to hear about the books you're reading. So I hope you have a great week, and I can't wait to hear more about it.